Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about buying a business. Here's how to change legal entity in Seller Central. Let's get into it. Updating the legal entity on an Amazon Seller Central account is a straightforward process, but it's important to complete each step carefully to avoid any compliance issues. This is often required when a business changes ownership, restructures, or transitions to a new entity type such as an LLC. To begin, log into Seller Central and navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard. Select Account Info. This section contains the key details of the account, including payment, deposit, and tax information. From the left-hand side menu, select Tax Information. Within this section, choose Update Tax Information. This option allows you to make changes to the legal and tax details associated with your seller account. At this stage, you will need to choose between an individual or a business account. While both are possible, the majority of sellers operate under a business entity, often an LLC, due to the legal and tax benefits. If you are not currently set up as an LLC, it is strongly recommended to establish one before updating your Amazon records. After choosing the account type, indicate whether the entity is a U.S. resident or a non-U.S. resident. U.S.-based sellers will then need to select a federal tax classification. The available options include C Corporation, S Corporation, Partnership, Trust or Estate, or LLC. For most sellers, the appropriate choice is LLC. If selecting LLC, you will then need to specify the type, such as S Corp, depending on how the entity is structured. Accuracy in this section is critical. Ensure that the selection matches how the entity is officially registered and recognized for tax purposes. If there is any uncertainty, consult your legal or tax advisor before submitting the update. Next, enter the full legal business name exactly as it appears on formation or tax documents. If the business also operates under a DBA, doing business as, name, that should be entered in the corresponding field. The information must match IRS records to prevent delays. Following this, input the EIN, also known as the Employer Identification Number. This identifier links the seller account to the registered business entity and is essential for proper reporting. Once all fields are completed, select Save and Preview. Review the entered information carefully and then confirm submission. Amazon generally processes and approves these updates within 48 hours. In most cases, the change is finalized without requiring additional interviews or verification steps. Completing this process ensures that the Seller Central account remains compliant and aligned with the correct legal entity. This step is crucial when a business changes ownership or updates its structure, allowing operations to continue smoothly without disruption. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.